In today's video, we are replacing a screen for this Legion laptop. Let's look at the model. So this model right here is the Legion Y540-17IRH. Let's take a look at the screen. The screen is currently turned off. However, right here, can you see those black blobs? That's a broken display. So this display does not even power on. You can only see this via HDMI cable. Let's get started. So first thing is first, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the battery. To do so, we have to remove a few screws and slide this down. Interesting. I see stickiness. Oh, look, that's not good. That's water. That's the battery. We're gonna grab the battery and just pull it out. Okay, battery has been unplugged. Let's close it back up really quick. Just like that. And now let's work on the screen. I'm gonna lift up just lightly. There it is. There's some adhesive that's holding this bezel down, so to be careful and take your time here. Bezel has been removed. Let's put that aside. Now we need to figure out how to remove this screen. Normally I'd look for pull tabs, and as you can tell, there is 2 pull tabs. And Lenovo has made it very easy to grab these pull tabs. Wow, I appreciate that, thank you. So we need to pull these pull tabs. Pull them very delicately. You don't want to rip them. A lot of the times they do rip, so if that happens, we'll have to use another method. You can reuse these pull tabs if you don't damage it as you're pulling. Okay. This pull tab seems reusable, so maybe I can reuse it. We'll fix it once we're done. Okay, looks good. So both pull tabs have been removed. The screen should come off easily. Let's see if we can just pop the screen off now. Looks like something's holding it down from the back. What is this? Is that adhesive? That's adhesive, huh? I'm not sure how long that adhesive is. Oh, it's a small strip. We can cut that part. Okay, now that the screen is pretty much removed, now we're going to unplug this cable. There's tape, so we'll just pry off the tape first. Okay, the tape is pried. Use a pair of tweezers and pop off that clip, just like that, this one right here. Move it up, grab the screen and pull towards you, and it disconnects just like that. Okay, so we are pretty much done with this screen. So this is the old screen, and now we're gonna swap it out with the new screen that we had ordered. Let's pull out that package. Let's open this up. And here's the new screen. I think we may have ordered the wrong screen. Shit, we did. I am 99% sure we did. This does not fit here, oh my. At this point, it happens when we order screens. We looked it up, we were as precise as we can get, but we ended up ordering a 30-pin. This connector is a 40-pin connector, so if you have a similar model to this, you want to make sure you have a 40-pin connector. So now in this case, we're just going to order the right screen, which sucks, but it's a part of the business, and once that screen comes in, we'll finalize this repair. All right, we're back. We got the screen in. So let's go ahead and install the correct screen this time around. We waited about 2 days for this to come in, I think, 2-3 days. All right, so let's confirm this is indeed the 40 pin. That's exactly what we needed. So let's go back to where the computer is and let's drop down a new screen. Well, just to pick up where we left off, we're just going to be replugging this screen back in place. We'll install the bezel and that would be it. Okay, we just plug that in. All right, so let's go ahead and replug this battery. Okay, let's test the screen and make sure it does actually work before we seal it up. Say Bismillah. There it is. New screen working like a charm. We're gonna shut this down, seal it up, and invoice the customer. We'll probably also clean it for her. Yeah, this definitely needs to be cleaned. So now that we've added all of this, let's remove this. Okay, perfect. Let's add this bezel back. Perfect. All good here. There it is. So the job here is done. We're gonna go ahead and clean this computer up for the customer. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep making more videos just like this. We'll see you guys on the next one.